Happy Teachers Day to all my lovely teachers. Thank you so much for your such a great support.
I extend my gratitude to all my teachers and mentors who helped me in the better understanding of the facts. You all are like compass who helped me navigate through all the intricacies of this world. Thank you for all your patience, listening out to me, nurturing me, and helping me grow as an individual and a better human being.
Hello teachers, this is Akhil Nitave from grade 7 Topaz, and first of all I would like to wish all the teachers happy Teachers Day. And I would like to say something. Great invaders and leaders are not born. They are motivated and inspired to do great things by great teachers like you. You are not only our teachers, you are our friend, philosopher, and guide. We will also be grateful for your support. Happy Teachers Day, Principal Ma'am, Director Ma'am, and all the teachers.
I would like to thank all my teachers for helping me learn online. I am a new student here, and since the online classes started, all the teachers helped me to adapt to the new school environment. Thank you so much and happy Teachers Day.
Hello, I am Samanyu and I would like to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers Day. I like my teachers because they have very fun teaching methods and they make learning very enjoyable and full of joy. I would like to compliment my teachers for also making the sessions very interactive and working very hard through this pandemic. Thank you to all the teachers once again and happy Teachers Day.
Hello. Assertion. Teachers are superhumans. Reason. Teachers teaches different morals, good morals. They also teach us different subjects. They also clear our doubts. They are very patient. Along with all this, they also take care of their family and home. The correct option is both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation for the assertion. Happy Teachers Day! Thank you.
Good morning all, my name is Shorish. Today I am going to tell a small and lovely speech for my teachers. I love my teachers a lot. They give me education and help me to be a very good person in my life. I love my teachers a lot. They are a second parent for me. They help me in many questions and give me some tricks or tips in my studies. They give me not only lessons but give me lessons for my life. My 1/4 world is my teachers only. Without teachers I am nothing. Education is a very good source of our life, but teachers are also very important because they give us education and help us to be a good and famous person in the world. Thank you God for giving me such nice and lovely teachers. Thank you.
My name is Shreyan Jinturkar and I am from 5th Orion. Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers, and thank you for teaching me new things so nicely and kindly.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. I am Shruti from 5th Indus, and I would like to thank all the teachers for two things. One, because they helped us continue learning even in today's situation, and two, because they made it so much like a class and made it so interesting for us to continue learning. Thank you. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guru Deva Namaha. On this occasion of Teachers' Day, I wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parat Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. I am Sia Harne from grade 5 Cygnus, wishing all teachers of PICT a happy Teachers' Day.
Dear teachers, wishing you all a happy Teachers' Day. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support, encouragement, and also making our future bright. Thank you.
Dear teachers, my name is Sumedha and I am from grade 5 Indus. I would like to thank all the teachers for the efforts and the hard work they have done for us to understand and learn various topics in such difficult times. If you weren't there, I do not think we would have been able to understand anything. You have taught us many good things that we should not forget at all times. You may have scolded us, but we all know that it is for our best. I would like to thank all the teachers once more for all the efforts and the hard work they have done for us. Thank you.
Teachers Day. All teachers, thank you for teaching me. You made me a better student. Once again, happy Teachers Day.
Dear teachers, we are fortunate that we have teachers as wonderful, loving and caring as you all are. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day.
Dear teachers, thank you for inspiring hope in me and igniting my imaginations. I will always be thankful for all the hard work and efforts you have put in to educate us during these difficult times. We miss you and hope to see you soon. Happy Teachers Day.
Hello teachers, a happy Teachers Day to you all. Thank you for teaching me and educating me.
Good morning everyone. Myself Advait Dhole from grade 5 Indus. On the occasion of Teachers Day, I would like to say few words about my teachers. In this difficult situation of COVID-19, you all are taking lots of efforts for us. You all are taking care of us. So I would like to appreciate your work and would like to say thank you from bottom of my heart. Thank you Principal Ma'am for keeping our learning process continuous. You are my role model. Bye bye.
Happy Teachers Day to all my dear teachers. On this special occasion, I've written a short poem for you all. I see many stars shining up so high to praise different people and creatures, but the brightest of these stars are surely for you teachers. You are like gods on land who have given us powers. You always provide us with a helping hand and help us climb the highest towers amongst all the people, big and small. All I want to say, I'm lucky to have you all. Once again, Happy Teachers Day.
So, I am going to say a poem on teachers. When I first went to school, my mates thought me a fool. All learnt and clever were they. They always called me a lump of clay. So I consulted a teacher who was looking glad. She said there is no need to be sad. She also told me learning is not easy. Next day to school I was on my way. With a smile I walked 1 mile. My teacher advised us all in the class. To learn must you work hard and not shirk it in the yard. I studied very thoroughly. My teacher's words were true. I scored good, woohoo, woohoo. To me my teacher was a friend and a guide. After 40 years of age I nearly looked like a sage. I conquered the problems and obstacles that lay. I knew my teacher had revealed me my way. I hereby declared teacher's words are always true. Everyone said, yes, well said Dr. Do. What about you? Happy Teachers Day.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Happy Teachers Day. Thank you for teaching us patiently and sharing your knowledge. Thank you.
Good morning, all teachers. I am Anish from grade 5 Pegasus. I want to be thankful for your guidance and helping me in my work and also clearing my doubts. Thank you and Happy Teachers Day.
Very happy Teachers Day. You are not only our teacher but our friend, philosopher and guide. We will always be grateful to you for your support. Thank you for continuously inspiring us to do our best. To the world you may be a teacher, but for us you will always be a hero. Thank you. Lots of love, Anusha Raikar, 5th Orion.
Hello teachers. Today I am just here to say thank you. Thank you for teaching us. Thank you for working day and night to find new fun ways to teach us. You brighten our lives with education and work very hard. Thank you very much.
A good morning to all the teachers, our respected principal and our dear friends. Today we have gathered here as a celebration of Teachers' Day. Today is a special day for us where we can give a hearty tribute to the teachers who work hard day and night. In the situation of COVID, they still work hard for the learners to keep the learning ongoing. Teachers are very important for human life. They are the beacons in the dark, the moon in the night sky, and the path of knowledge. Without teachers, humans would be floating in darkness forever. Teachers are very important for human civilization.
Good morning, teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you for being a wonderful teacher. In pandemic condition, we miss the school a lot, but because of you, we can learn all the subject online. Thank you.
Dear teachers, thanks for inspiring hope in me, igniting my imagination, and instilling a love of learning. You're not only my teacher, you're my friend, philosopher, and guide. Happy Teachers' Day to all of my teachers.
Dear teachers, I love you all. I can't imagine how much work you have from saying the class rules of the class to staying up all night correcting papers. I really am grateful because if you weren't there, I wouldn't be telling this to you. So super thanks and a big hug from me. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you for ensuring that we continue to learn in these difficult times also. Happy Teachers' Day.
Hello dear teachers, this is Katyayani Chaudhary from 5th Orion and I would like to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day, and I would also like to thank all the teachers for making us students learn all the new things each and every day, and I would also like to wish all of you a very happy Teachers' Day again, and once again thank you for all the learning and bye.
Hello ma'am, this is Kaushik from grade 5 Orion, and thank you for teaching us so many things, and this virtual classes are new for all of us, especially you, and you have taught us so many things. Also, this year we can't celebrate Teachers' Day physically, so let's celebrate it virtually. This video is just a gesture for thanking you.
गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
teachers. I wish all my dear teachers a very happy Teachers' Day on this special occasion. Thank you all teachers for showing me the right path and making me a better person in life. Thank you. I wish you once again a very happy Teachers' Day to all. Happy Teachers' Day!
Good morning. My name is Neil Parmar and I am from Grade 5 Pegasus. I would like to wish all the teachers of Grade 5 Pegasus a very happy Teachers' Day. Let's start. A good teacher encourages a child to make hands which create, minds which think, and hearts which love. If you give me a fish for a day to eat, I'll eat it. If you teach me how to fish, I'll eat it for a lifetime. Teaching is a profession which teaches all the other professions. Thank you very much.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Nirmal Jaiswal and the reason I am here is to wish you happy Teachers' Day. In this corona situation, you do a lot of hard work to teach us and make us educated. And for that I am really thankful and grateful to you. Bye.
Hello teachers. Thank you for guiding us throughout this COVID pandemic. Even these virtual classes seem as if we are in school. Once again, thank you for all your efforts to make us responsible students and in turn, good human beings. We all students of PICT wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Hi, I'm Patishi from Grade 5 Indus and I wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Hi everyone, this is Parth Chode from Grade 5 Indus. Happy Teachers' Day. I want to thank my all teachers for making our virtual learning so much fun in these trying times. We salute your creativity, sacrifices and your all hard work to keep learning non-disruptive in such a pandemic. I will make you proud one day by becoming a good human being, which will be the best gift from my side to you. Gratitude for my gurus now and always.
Good morning, I am Ritisha. First of all, I would like to wish all respected teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. I would like to thank you all my teachers for being with us in this pandemic situation and for your guidance and such great efforts. I really enjoy our interactive session and especially enjoy the HRT sessions. I am really glad to have such great teachers and thank you very much for being my teachers.
Morning Principal Ma'am and all the teachers. I am Riya Sakharkar from Grade 5 Orion and today I am going to tell a speech about teachers. Teachers play an important role in our lives in shaping, guiding us and making us better human beings. A very happy Teachers' Day to all my loving teachers. Apart from imparting us with knowledge, you are vital to us to shaping us into humble and responsible citizens of tomorrow. You are like living goddesses with many hands, handling everything while battling this pandemic. We are forever indebted to you and I cannot thank you enough. Once again, a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Knowledge makes the man wise and you all are the source of it. Thank you dear teachers. Happy Teachers' Day.
My name is Sarah Muskan and I am from Grade 6 Garnet. I am here to represent a poem for Teachers' Day. I admire my teachers. They endure us with knowledge. I am thankful for this privilege. They help me to learn in difficult times, show concern. They care for me unconditional and make our relation cordial. They correct me when wrong and help us to be strong. I thank my teachers for everything. With great emotions, I mention today a very happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day to all my dearest teachers, and I would like to thank you all for helping me get one of the best things on the earth, that is knowledge. Even in these tough times of coronavirus, through online classes with a lot of patience. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, I am Mugdha from Grade 6 Sapphire. Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers of the PICG Model School. and thank you for taking efforts and help us learn in this COVID-19 situation too. Once again, happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Thank you.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Teachers should be the best minds in the country. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president and also a teacher, once said that in PI City we all are blessed to have such wonderful teachers. From shlokas to software, you all are teaching us everything you can. Thank you, teachers.
Thank you, ma'am, for putting in extra efforts for educating me in these trying times, and I really appreciate your hard work for making me a better citizen. I miss seeing you at school, and I hope to see you soon when the school reopens. A happy Teachers' Day, and thank you, ma'am.
Hi, I am Miri Deshmukh. I am new to PI City and currently studying in grade 6 Topaz. Due to this pandemic, though I have never physically attended a single day in our school, I feel emotional connection. I have never felt like an outlander because of hard work and efforts taken by our teachers who accommodated me in this family seamlessly. They also entertain all our questions and give their best. Thank you. Can't wait to meet you all in person.
Hello everyone, my name is Gaurisha Goel from grade 6 Garnet, and today I am going to recite a poem I wrote to thank my teachers. English, Maths, Science and Hindi, French, Sanskrit, ICT and Marathi. Teachers teach us all these things so we can learn and be good human beings. They take us to a whole new world with books open and pages unfurled. They help us get knowledge galore so we can be great, hardworking and more. Thank you teachers for all you've done, for letting us learn and have a lot of fun. You make learning a good experience too. Happy Teachers' Day to you. Thank you.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Good morning to all my dear teachers. I am Vedant from grade 6 Garnet. I am honored and blessed to wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day, and I am also thankful of all my teachers who have taken extra efforts for us students to continue our academic year and during this pandemic situation. And I once again thank and wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day, ma'am, and thank you for putting these extra efforts to make me a better citizen. And I miss seeing you at school and in person, and I'm looking forward to see you in school. And stay home, stay safe and wear a mask. Thank you.
On this occasion of Teachers' Day, I wish all my teachers happy Teachers' Day. I made a small poem for all my teachers. We enjoy learning because you're the one teaching. We always learn a new thing. Each is what you bring. You clear our doubts before the exam, and exam is the time we open our dam. Dam is our brain, and when opened is full of thoughts in a chain. Teacher, you are the best, which is why we don't worry the rest. Thank you.
Thank you all teachers for taking time for us and teaching us the lessons hard to comprehend. Thank you for the caring and all the other stuff you do for us. All the things you gave me, we can't thank you enough. Happy Teachers' Day.
I am Aryan Vijay Prabhu Desai from grade 6 Sapphire. I am new to this school, but you all teachers didn't let me think that I am new. You all teachers try to maintain discipline in the class and also teach us very nicely and clearly. Thank you to all of you teachers and a happy Teachers' Day.
Dear teachers, wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you for being patient in the online sessions and providing us knowledge. Hope that we will meet soon in the regular classes. Thank you and have a good day.
Good morning everyone. Myself Parth Naik, newly admitted student to grade 6 Topaz.
Students across the country celebrate 5th September to pay respect and thank their teachers. Teachers are the backbone of the country. They mold child's personality and provide a bright future. Due to pandemic situation, we all were worried how things will happen at school. But everyone was not comfortable about online classes. But each teacher has taken effort for smooth conduction of classes. I am very happy when all teachers made me feel that I am part of this class. They all interacted with me in all sessions. Today on Teachers' Day, I would like to appreciate and thank all of my teachers. Thank you and Happy Teachers' Day.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Saksha Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Hello teachers, this is me, Rujula from grade 6 Sapphire. First of all, I would like to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for teaching us in such a difficult time. You have all made learning a comfortable process for us. You are always there to clear doubts. You have made learning a new and enjoyable process for all of us. Thank you once again. Regards, Rujula.
Good teachers are the reason why ordinary students dream of extraordinary things. Happy Teachers' Day to all of my lovely teachers. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day. I'm very sad as I cannot meet my teachers in person and wish them Teachers' Day. But I'm really thankful and I appreciate the hard work and efforts my teachers are taking to make me a better student and help me understand concepts. We will stay strong during COVID-19 and we will fight this together. Hopefully, after some time, we will all be able to be in the school together and learn more. Thank you.
Hello teachers, a very happy Teachers' Day. You all just don't teach us but inspire us. Thank you for teaching us. We love you.
Better than 1,000 days of diligent study is just one day with a great teacher. Here's to all my teachers, my inspirers, my mentors and my guiding light. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. शिक्षक दिनाची हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
Wishing all my teachers a happy Teachers' Day on this special day. I would like to thank you for all the efforts you have put in to make me a better person in life. Thank you for being my guide and teaching me life lessons. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Bye.
Hello everyone, I am Om Vaikar from grade 6 Sapphire. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to speak a few lines on my teachers at PICT. Teachers at PICT are always eager to share their vast knowledge with young minds. They put their best efforts to ensure that students understand the concepts being discussed and provide us with life skills that help us in the future. On this note, I would like to thank all my teachers at PICT. They have been a great inspiration for me and it was an honor to be their student. Thank you.
From embracing remote learning opportunities for oneself and provide us as well. You have stepped up to the plate. You deserve more than the newfound appreciation being shown to you. Thank you, ma'am, for being role model for real life. I made this card for you.
Happy Teachers' Day to my all teachers. Now I'm gonna sing a prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Saksha Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Thank you, teachers.
Hello, good morning everyone. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. I love you so much. From 1 to 10. You taught me everything. You always help me when I'm lonely or I can't study. You are so kind to all of us. And not only me, but you also help all my friends too. We play together, we eat together, we sing and dance together, and I will keep all these memories with me forever. Thank you for being with me. Bye.
Happy Teachers Day to all of my teachers.
Happy Teachers Day to all my innovative and knowledgeable teachers. I like the way you teach me and the method how you would take care of our online classes. You were so innovative that you came up with the idea to teach students with online classes. You would also teach me good manners, that don't interrupt if anybody is speaking. I'm sorry to all my dear friends and my teachers that I would interrupt in the class. Thank you.
Dear teachers, I want to thank you not just for being a teacher, but for being a guide and a mentor. I want to thank you not just for helping me out, but for motivating me and melting away my doubts. Thank you. Take care. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
I really miss meeting my teachers and friends in school. So I hope this lockdown ends fast so that school can start and I can meet my friends and teachers. So to all my teachers, I wish you a happy Teachers Day.
A teacher is responsible for shaping young minds of the future, which is why teaching is considered one of the most respected professions in the world. That is precisely why Teachers' Day is widely celebrated throughout the world, giving students a chance to thank their teachers. So I take this opportunity to thank my teachers with a small poem and a card. Teacher, teacher, can you tell me something? Teacher, teacher, can you tell me a thing? Teacher, teacher, I want to know everything. Happy Teachers Day. With love, Sanvi.
Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. And this song is for you.
Happy Teachers Day. The last few months have been very challenging due to COVID, but you found a different way to teach us online. I still wish we could be together in school. Happy Teachers Day once again. Today I would be playing two pieces for you. First, I will be playing for you Whirling Leaves. The next piece I will be playing for you is The Entertainer.
Happy Teachers Day.
गुरुने दिला ज्ञान रूपी वसा, आम्ही चालवू हा पुढे वारसा. गुरुने दिला ज्ञान रूपी वसा, आम्ही चालवू हा पुढे वारसा. गुरुने दिला ज्ञान रूपी वसा. पिता बंधू स्नेही तुम्ही माऊली, तुम्ही कल्पवृक्षातळी सावली. पिता बंधू स्नेही तुम्ही माऊली, तुम्ही कल्पवृक्षातळी सावली. तुम्ही सूर्य आम्हा दिला कवडसा, गुरुने दिला ज्ञान रूपी वसा. जिथे काल अंकुर बीजातले, तिथे आज वेलीवरी फुले. जिथे काल अंकुर बीजातले, तिथे आज वेलीवरी फुले. फलद्रूप हा वृक्ष भावा तसा, गुरुने दिला ज्ञान रूपी वसा. शिकू धीरता शूरता वीरता, धरू थोर विद्ये सवे नम्रता. शिकू धीरता शूरता वीरता, धरू थोर विद्ये सवे नम्रता. मने ध्यास हा एक लागो असा, गुरुने दिला ज्ञान रूपी वसा. जरी दुष्ट कोणी करू शासन, गुणी सज्जनांचे करू पालन. जरी दुष्ट कोणी करू शासन, गुणी सज्जनांचे करू पालन. मनी मानसी हाच आहे ठसा, गुरुने दिला ज्ञान रूपी वसा. तुझी त्याग सेवा फळाये अशी, तुझी कीर्ती राहील दाही दिशी. तुझी त्याग सेवा फळाये अशी, तुझी कीर्ती राहील दाही दिशी. अगा पुण्यवंता भल्या माणसा, गुरुने दिला ज्ञान रूपी वसा. Happy Teachers Day.
Dear teachers, I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate all the efforts that you've taken to ensure that our children have a smooth and a happy learning time without too much of pressure. I would like to thank you all for guiding our children during these unprecedented times. Your efforts do not go unnoticed, teachers. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, I am Veena Ramanathan, mother of Kavya Ramanathan, studying in grade 8 Emerald. No words are enough to express what you teachers mean to us and our kids. A big heartfelt thanks to each one of y'all for being the light to guide. Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day. Our former ex-president, Bharat Ratna Abdul Kalam, once said that teachers are the backbone of any country, the pillars on which aspirations are converted into reality. Young minds are curious minds, and I'm always in awe how teachers actually manage to handle a class of 40 with their constant chatter, constant questions, not to mention their constant pranks. Now that the classrooms have moved online, I observe that teachers smoothly, with a calm composure, actually deal with all this in a completely new setting. When we moved online, started using online platforms, we found it confusing and unnerving to actually do online consultations, attend webinars. But I find that the PICT teachers have calmly adapted to all this, and they have mastery from day one, speaks volumes about their adaptability, true hallmarks of a great teacher. I thank all the PICT teachers for their humongous contribution to my child's education in these tough circumstances. I salute you for walking that tightrope, trying to manage your families, your homes, and your commitment to your job. Happy Teachers Day.
Wishing you all PICT teachers a very happy Teachers Day. This year's Teachers Day is different and memorable and proud feeling for everyone. When India is under lockdown, online teaching has become the new reality. It came as a boon to the students who otherwise would have lost valuable time for studies. All PICT teachers grappled with radical transitions from blackboard and smart boards to virtual classes. It's a matter of pride to watch the all PICT teaching faculties adapt and adopt this new way of teaching.
You are Guru Drona to us. You not only taught us, but also taught us how to live the life. Parents give us food, money, etc. But you give us the most precious thing of the life, that is knowledge.
By now, we all are already recognizing doctors and police as corona warriors. But at the same time, you all teachers are also corona warriors for our kids. You all are the candles that consumes itself while lighting the way for our children. In 19th century, Savitribai Phule was known as Kranti Jyoti. You are 20th century's techno-savvy Savitris. Once again, a happy Teachers Day.
Namaste teachers. My name is Sapna Desai. My daughter is Tanushri. She is in 8th Emerald. First of all, I would like to say thank you for providing this great opportunity to express our gratitude towards all the teachers. You help us to recognize the bliss of knowledge. You help us to realize that not only you, but many others who are continuously guiding and supporting us in many ways as a teacher. You help us to realize that who we are now. There is no other way that we can repay your Vidyadana. If we get a chance to serve as a teacher to the society, that is the only way we can repay you. This student-teacher relationship will continue ever. May God help us and bless us always. Thank you.
A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. Happy Teachers Day to all those amazing teachers out there who have been working day and night to make schooling successful, whether it was offline or online. Thank you so much for being so supportive and inspirational for me and now for my brother. Thank you so much for making me who I am today. And I believe, pray, actually I know that my brother will become a better person under your guidance. Thank you so much once again and happy Teachers Day from Arnav Singh and Anshika Singh. Thank you.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraya, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma,
Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the teachers of PICT school who have worked really hard to teach our kids. The role of a teacher is not just imparting knowledge, but imparting values among the children. And that is what the teachers of PICT have been doing. Although I have always been thankful to the teachers of PICT for all the hard work, love, affection that they give our children. But in these unprecedented times, the teachers have worked really hard in making the worksheets, handouts and the presentations which have kept our children engaged throughout this time period. So here's to all the teachers of PICT Model School. Thank you very much and a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Happy Teachers Day. Thank you for helping me in my studies and building up my confidence. You make me a better person every day. Thank you.
Hello teachers. Wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. This is Preeti Munje here. My son Adit Munje studies in grade 8 Sapphire at PICT school. I would like to take this opportunity to thank each one of you for the wonderful contribution that you have given in each child's lives, especially in these trying times. I'm sure like the last few months must have been very difficult to each one of you because of various reasons, like on the home front as well as on the work front, where teachers had to come out of kind of their zone, their comfort zone, and get into the logistics of virtual teaching, which many of you may or may not have been very comfortable with. And I know, it is very difficult to be teaching to a computer screen rather than teaching to a group of students who you can look into the eye and make out whether the child has understood the concept or not. So I'm sure it must have been very difficult to you, but you all have done a commendable job, and I would like to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for all the contribution that you have been making in our child's lives. Thank you very much, and wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you. Bye.